Buff up.
Well, any aura is active.
2 minutes for lost. Just use last 50%.
That's the 2 minutes.
Or 25% as well.
I mean,
Yeah, we just do it. John, why are you talking? Why? Like, I don't know.
let's go.
Do a DPM pool. Don't free pool. Use your free puts, please. DPM pool 6. I beg you.
Do it.
I'm not off this. I'm not assist allowed.
Someone just shot.
No, just stand. Just wait. Don't take too much aggro. Let him position you. You're putting it on the right now. Okay, let's hit the slime. The slime has no HP. So Metria, just take it out. Take it out from it. Outside of the not.
I'm trying to, but it lost aggro to it, so that's where it's going.
What's happening?
It's just a deep. That's just the because of the slime. Whatever. That's nothing. The slime. You can hit them a little bit, and then you're moving too much, man. Please.
Yeah, I will move. That's
Now you take it out, you guys. Just on pools. Move.
So when his hands stop glowing, that's when you do it. Never that.
More on the slime, guys, please. Mages, stay on the slime. Kill the slime.
guys. You should be standing on the side. Don't stand behind the
We're
bar.
not on the side. We don't get to fight. Don't worry. Take the slime out. Take the slime out. Don't dispel in the raid, please. Or close to it.
Someone fucked up the fucking stand position.
Take him out. I want you to now actively go as far as possible with it. You don't want to get cornered.
Where's this fucking skull going, boy?
So now I want the range to go a bit closer to Grobos. Go closer to Grobos range. All range, closer to Grobos. Don't go there. Who is that? Mark, go away, go away. Good.
Who Grobulus more?
That's great. Good. Nice one. Nice. Now, please don't go close to the range, guys. Range. Go closer to the fucking boss. Go close to the front of the boss. You cannot dispel there, Bandori. You cannot dispel.
You're putting it in the back of the room, that.
Go to the back of the room. Now it's cleared up, but we passed the fucking problem.
Okay, dispel dogleg now. Go. Давай.
I was reading about the star.
Kill those. Finish.
Stars of the Alpha I think it's true.
Should be fine still with these.
If that expires, it's fine.
These ones expire. So
All good.
If you had any real balls, you'd jump over that bridge.
I'm one little bit. Just
just walk a bit further. It can expire any fucking minute. Get it, bro. Just keep going like this.
You hear what I'm saying?
What's it do first one?
Shoot.
Going behind the carry, bro. Dispel him in the fucking picture, bro. Climb out, please. Just don't stand in front of the boss. Don't stand in front of the boss. Be careful. Oh, yikes, man. Use feint, use Let's keep going. Kill the slimes, kill the slimes, guys. Kill the slimes. Don't be fucking trolling now. Okay, more people in the slimes now. Take them close to melee. More people on the slimes now, because the Warlock started.
Let it get out. Let it get out.
Kill the slime. Kill the slime.
2 second mana. Shadow Priest. Valkyrian.
Valkyrian, use Unihope. Never mind. Somatics, use it, whatever. Kill the slime. Let the Warlocks kill their shit. Kill the slime.
fucking shoot wall. Fuck it.
Yeah. Kill the boss. Kill the boss.
GG, guys.
GG.
This is so fucking bad, bro. This is actually